Hi, my name is Mandy and I'm your WIN program manager. I'm going to show you how to add a project to WIN as a non-member. This is the WIN homepage, www.woodworksinnovationnetwork.org. Please add /projects/create to the URL to get to the Create a New Project page. Here you'll add your first and last name, your company name, and your email address. Next, you'll add a name for your project and an exact address. It's important to note here that you'll add an exact address so that your project shows up properly on the map. However, only the city and state will ever display facing forward. Once you've reached this page, you will begin to start adding your project data. This includes construction status, construction break ground date, the date your project has been completed or will be completed, building system, secondary system, number of stories, square footage, construction cost, this is optional but is ideal, construction type, building type, and then all materials used in this project. Then here you'll add a project description. Of course, the more robust your project description is, the better. Then you'll add other properties. Finally, you'll get to adding images. It's important to note that you can add multiple images at one time by opening a folder on your computer, selecting all the images, and then dragging them onto this Add Image icon. For this tutorial, I'm just going to add one single image. And I'm going to add the photo credit by clicking the Edit button here and adding the photo credit. Next, you're going to be adding the design team members who are a part of this project. Architects, engineers, contractors, developers, installers, insurance brokers, and even manufacturers or suppliers. You'll click Add an Architect. You can either add a company or an individual. In this case, I'm going to add a company, the role on the project, and then a good email address for that company. This is important so that the company is made aware of the fact that they were added to this project. Then you click Done, and you can go on and so forth. If I'm not ready to publish the project or I have more information I want to add at a later time or need to take a break, I just save this project as a draft, and you'll notice you'll get confirmation that it's successfully saved here on the bottom right. And then I will go and check my email. In my email, I would see that I have an email address with the name of the project that I created. Once I click into that email, I will see that I have an edit button here where I can always access this project by this email. Once I click this link, you'll see here that I go in and pick up where I left off. And if I can continue to add more people, change the project description, make sure my project is complete before I submit it for approval. Once the project is submitted for approval, it is important to note that as a non-WIN member, you will no longer have access to edit this project anymore. That link in the email will no longer be valid. I, as the WIN program manager, will receive an email that you submitted the project for approval. I will review the project and submit it for publish. If you have any additional changes, before you decide if you want to become a WIN member or not, you can feel free to reach out to me and I would be happy to help you with those. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope to see your projects on WIN soon.